Hello students, this is for class 10th Civics chapter 6 Political Parties, and our topic for today's discussion is about the national political parties. There are near about 6 national political parties which are very popular in our country, and the first one which we all are going to have the discussion will be of the Indian National Congress. Dear students, Indian National Congress is the oldest political party of the world and it was founded in 1885. It dominated the Indian politics and at the national as well as we can say at the state level too. It built the modern secular democratic republic in our country India, and it ruled from near about 1947 to 1977 in one slot, and then in 1980 to 1989 and in the second slot, and the third slot if you will watch to 2004 to 2014. So it favors most probably to the secularism and welfare of the weaker section of the societies and even the minority groups. It supports the new economic reforms for the country, and it formed UPA government that was in the year 2004. UPA stands for United Progressive Alliance. Clear? Our second party is Bharatiya Janata Party, that means BJP. As we all know, BJP was founded in 1980 and its symbol is lotus. Clear? So incepted from Bharatiya Jan Sangha. It most probably stresses modern India on the basis of the ancient Indian culture and the values. Hindutva is the basic element of this party, and it favors the political integration of Jammu and Kashmir, which it finalized, and a uniform civil code of conduct on which they all have worked a lot, and a ban on the religious conversions. Even it formed the NDA government in 1998. NDA stands for here National Democratic Alliance. It lost its election in the Lok Sabha during 2004, and presently also you all are aware that it leads the ruling party at the center level. Students, our next political party is Bahujan Samaj Party, that means BSP, and it was founded in 1984 under the leadership of Kansi Ram. It aims to represent and even to secure the power for the Bahujan Samaj, including the Dalits, Adivasi groups and other backward communities, along with the religious minority groups also. It follows the ideas and teachings of Sahuji Maharaj and Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Periyar Ramaswamy Naikar, and Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. It has its main base most probably in our state Uttar Pradesh and formal presence in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, and also in Punjab. It was formed government in Uttar Pradesh by taking the support of different political parties at different times, and that was in 2004 Lok Sabha elections. BSP polled about 5% of the votes and secured 19 seats in the Lok Sabha elections. Let us see our next political party, that is Communist Party of India, Marxist. That means Marxwadi Communist Party. It was founded in 1964 and it believes in the theory of Marxism and Leninism, and it supports the socialism, secularism and democracy. It opposes the imperialism and communalism, and also accept the democratic elections as the means for securing an objective for the socio-economic justice for our country, India. It enjoys strong supports, most probably in the state like West Bengal, Tripura, Kerala, especially among the poor, factory workers and farmers, etc. It opposes the new economic policy and free trade, and it has in power in West Bengal without a break for near about 30 years. In 2004 elections, it won about 6% of the votes and 43 seats in the Lok Sabha. It has also supported the UPA government from outside that was in the election 2004 to 2014. Our next political party is the Communist Party of India, CPI, and it was formed in 1925, which believes in Marxism and Leninism and secularism and democracy too. It opposed to the force of, we can say, successionism and communalism, and supports parliamentary form of democracy as a means of promoting the interest of the working class, farmers and the poor. It split during 1964 and led the emergence of CPIM and then CPI, and has also base in the state of Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and even in Tamil Nadu. Its performance most probably declined in the year, and it secured only 1.4% of votes and near about 10 seats in 2004 Lok Sabha elections. It proposes the coming together of left parties to form a strong alliance of left front. The next and the last, Nationalist Congress Party, NCP, was formed by Sharad Pawar, and it was formed in the year 1999 after the split in the Congress Party. It was advocated that the democracy and along with the Gandhian secularism, equity to all citizens and social justice and federalism are the crucial on which it paves the work and demands the high offices in the government that is to be confined to the natural born citizens of our country, India. Major party it is in Maharashtra and has a significant, we can say, support in even Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. Currently, a member of United, we can say, was found as in UPA government, United Progressive Alliances. So students, next time we will continue with the next topics. Till then, you all take care of yourself. Have a nice day.